Oh, hold on, I gotta get on. Ow! Other side. But you're really tall, you make this hard. Is it in?
Well, it was.
Don't put your elbow down. Doesn't that hurt? Look at me like that. Oh yeah, that's real smart. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That blood squirts on me, I swear to God. What do you think we're gonna say at school tomorrow? What do you think we're gonna say at school tomorrow?
Yeah, I don't know.
Doesn't that hurt?
Yeah.
Can you feel it coming through?
Yeah.
Brock keeps.
I'm gonna tell him he'll be right back.
I did.
It's freaking hard.
Oh, I bet. What if you went through and stabbed your eye? I'd freak. That was him getting you. Brock is going crazy over there. Oh my God. Oh. Is it bleeding? Let me get a close-up on the stuff so far. Yuck. Where's it at?
I don't know, somewhere. Somewhere in there.
What if you don't do it right?
Well, then I'm screwed, huh?
How many piercings have you done before?
Like, 4.
Nipples. In your ears.
In my ears. I did one nipple, and then I did somebody else's nose.
Yeah. I couldn't do that.
What's somebody's nose, or?
Yeah. And my nipple. What the heck? You know, I'm gonna fall, or this thing's gonna fall, and I'm gonna be in trouble.
Who's that?
You all sit there. Oh, your hands are getting tired, huh? Your arms. My arm's getting tired of holding myself up. You know, maybe I can come down here. Ew, look at me. Is that it right there?
No. That's the needle going through.
Yeah. Yeah, that's gross.
It's pretty far.
You're all sitting there with it. Oh. Doesn't that hurt?
No. My arms are shaky though from trying to push it through.
I would be too.
Right there.
Holy. Let me get a close-up of that. That is gross. I bet that hurts. If you get blood on this camera, you're cleaning it. Oh my god. Now you gotta leave that in there for a little while.
Yeah, I know.
Look at me. You're freaking crazy.
Always have been. There you go. I just